Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX setups for today. So, three rate cuts on the cards for this year, according to the Feds anyway, and market responded positively to the noise. So, for me, 18,100, which was the level we were battling with, we've fired through that. So, obviously, the most logical choice for me would be to wait there for an entry long. Now, don't think that's going to happen, to be honest. I think we've moved up, algorithms have got the move going, and now humans will start logging in this morning and go, oh, okay, we need to buy. And so they're going to be looking for opportunities to buy. So one thing that concerns me, oscillators all group the upside on all the higher time frames, and then big spike, and then this could be a flag, could be a channel. It's something which just is a warning bell that you don't really want to be jumping in long up here. So there are a couple of key levels, and you're only going to see them on the 15 minutes, so bear with me for a sec. First one is right down here at 18,200. So that would be the first opportunity for me to be looking to buy. And then the other one, I'd want to see a break and retest of this during the market hours, not after hours. So that would be 18,238. So for me at the moment, I don't really want to jump in here. We're extremely overbought, so I don't think it's a wise decision. This is the clear indicator. 18,200 is where you want to be, and then you have a lot of chaos lower down. Look at all these gaps. So 18,153 or 18,150 would obviously be the next most logical spot as well. So that's kind of my view, short and sweet. 18,200 is the best opportunity I can see. You're looking for pin bars, engulfing bars, or inside bars. If it does drop through that, then you're looking at 18,150. And if it gets through that, then you'd be looking at 18,100. I definitely would not be looking to short to get to these levels. These are not shorting levels. They are levels to buy off. Don't try and go against the trend, especially not after the type of noise that came out yesterday.